G'day everybody. So it's been a wee while since we posted. I thought I'd kick off doing some more posts by a little time lapse of me doing some of the stair work. Behind me you can see the stairs. They were all open, and this episode's going to be about finishing them off. So you can see that the stairs used to be open. So yesterday the stairs, the backings were all cut, and went to extend the stair into the riser a little wee bit here, just to give the stair tread a little bit more width. They were a little bit short originally, so all the treads have been replaced because the timber was a bit buggered, and all the risers have been filled in. And also we've put this panel on the side here, which is just 18mm pine. Got painted up and put on yesterday.
Who painted the stairs?
That'd be you.
That'd be me, the painting person.
Yeah, so this is today's job, is to get these stairs completely all done. So here we go. First things first, bit of smooth edge in the toe of the step for the carpet to grab on. So you can see that I've done the underfelt on the stairs now. The underfelt is only flush with the very bottom edge. You don't wrap it right around, nail up underneath into there. It's glued on as well, so it's glued and stapled on, so it doesn't move anywhere, and it's just flush trim on the sides. And now we're going to do the carpet. ADOS F2 is the glue that we're using. One of the things you've got to be aware of with carpet is that it has a pile. See it when you rub the carpet one way versus the other. And what's quite important with the step is, as the carpet comes over the step, you want the pile to wear the right way. It's going to have a lot of wear on this edge, and you want the pile to be going the right way. So it's important that we get the pile the right way. See how it's pulling apart just through here? That's the wrong way. You don't want it that way. So I'm just going to dry fit it first of all. There's a few little bits to cut out. So alright, we're going to cut a few more, and we'll glue up maybe 3 at a time. Alrighty, I'm going to give the first one a crack. And that's how you do stairs. Now just going to do the whole lot. Okay, it's done. Got all the stairs. I ran out of carpet just at the end, so I needed a couple of extra bits. Let's take a look. But they came up pretty damn good, don't you think? Oh, and Jenny's been playing around with our wall art. This is our little Kiwiana wall. Subway map of New Zealand roads, which is pretty nifty. And then we have the, these are actually stamps, the A through Z of New Zealand. Pretty neat, eh? And there's a very similar one here, and this is counting. This is the Tahiro Toruwha, right through up to 21. So it's the day after I just started the stairs, and well, they're all done, including varnishing the handrail and that kind of stuff. So let's take a look. They look really good. There you go. Look at that in all its glory. So this is just a little 25mm Dress 4 sides pine running up the side, and the stairs themselves are all done.